To operate the power liftgate, the vehicle must be in park. Use one of the following methods to open the power liftgate. Press and hold this switch on the instrument panel. Press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key. Or, press this switch on the liftgate. A chime sounds. During a power open or close, the power liftgate will stop moving and reverse direction if any of these buttons are pressed. The liftgate can be set to open to a specific height by performing the following. Open the liftgate. Pull the liftgate down to the desired position. Press and hold this button located on the liftgate for more than approximately 3 seconds or until 2 beeps are heard. After the beeps are heard, the liftgate will only open to the selected position setting. To reset to a different position, repeat this procedure. To close the liftgate, press and hold this switch on the instrument panel. Press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key, or press this button on the liftgate. To close and lock the liftgate and doors, press this button. A chime will sound until the liftgate is closed. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.